So nowadays, learning has become very easy and convenient because today the access to internet is very easy and available. So you can have access to internet every time and you can connect to the whole world. There are thousands of computer where there are so many information and we call it internet. So those devices or computers online are actually having so much of information in different forms. So what are the different forms of information? This is you and this is your screen. You are the client and these are the servers. So in the servers there are so many different types of information. There are text information, there are video information, there are images, there are animations. So when you have this different kind of information, we call all this information multimedia. So in this multimedia information where multiple different type of information available, and we use those information. Suppose when we have a computer or a phone or a tablet and we access the internet, and in the internet there are servers like we have suppose YouTube. So in the YouTube you see videos. Now there are other websites where you get text information. With text you have images. So like that there are thousands of websites, and there are so many popular websites like, as I said, YouTube, Facebook, now you Instagram, WhatsApp. These are the names. Google can give you a search result, and there are websites like ChatGPT, Gemini. Like that there are so many other, Grok. So these are the things which are AI models or AI chatbots. You can talk to them, you ask anything to them, and they will answer you back. In what form? Text form, image form especially. So what you can ask, anything you need. Now how can this thing help you? So many websites, videos, AI chatbots. So you are a student, so this is the time that you gather information. You need information of what? Information of your subject, the subjects that you want to study, then other topics in the form of videos, audios, images, text. So see, now information is very easy to access. So if you miss this chance, then you miss so many things, because now this is the time you are living. Suppose this is 2025. Here you are having these facilities. Internet access, your digital devices. So when you have all these things, you should not waste time. You should use your time effectively. Why? Because in the market there are jobs, But when you are here without skill, then you miss this opportunity, because in the market they have demands for jobs, but with specific skills. But if you do not have you plus skill, if you do not have that skill, then you miss this opportunity. But if you have skill, you plus skill, and you get the job. And nowadays, to earn money, you have to go for organizations, particularly the private organizations. And there are organizations which are recruiting much. It is IT sector, and there are other sectors, health sectors. There are so many sectors. So in any area you want to work, in any job you want to work, then you find out your area of interest. This is the number one interest you have, number two, number three, number four, like that. If you set where you want to do job, then this way you select your courses, your area of study. Then when you select your area of study, you go to college, choose your good college where you want to study. But this is not enough, because in India we do not have that structure. When you go college, everything will be set. It's not like that, because the market, as I said, the market and their demand is different from what we are studying in the college. So there is a gap. This is called the gap of industry demand and what the students study in colleges. And this is a true fact. So now people are trying to bridge this gap. The institutions, organizations, they are actually trying to change the curriculum of academic curriculum of colleges or universities. Now what you have to do, you entered in college, plus you have internet. So internet is not for fun. See, here in the internet you have experts, you have courses, so you can study those courses and you can bridge that gap and you can get the job.